Crypto trading gets even better with Kine's latest feature, Smart Trading Signal. Do you want to stay ahead of the market with personalized trading strategy notifications? One of the best things about the Smart Trading Signal function is its ability to provide users with customized trading strategies. From price action strategies to RSI, MACD, moving averages, and Bollinger Band, there are several different strategies to choose from. You can either choose one of them or as a combination. Open Smart Orders is also simple. All it takes is a quick click of the Accept button next to the push notification, and users can start taking advantage of market opportunities immediately. And for those who want to keep their hands free, the voice notice function is also extremely useful. No need to stare at charts all day and worry about missing trades anymore. You can choose to enable signal and voice notification in the settings. You are also able to monitor your strategy constantly with historical candlestick markers. This way, you can keep track of your positions and make informed trading decisions with ease. The chart displays clear buy or sell labels and P&L values, making it even easier to monitor your trades at a glance and see your trading performance in real time. With a wide range of strategies to choose from, users can tailor the trading approach to suit their individual needs and preferences. The function is available for both Kine app and web platform. Getting started with the Smart Trading Signal function is simple. Users can download the Kine app or visit kine.io, navigate to the trading page, and choose their preferred trading strategy combinations. Also, turn on the Signal button and enable the Signal voice notice function if needed. So why wait? Embrace the future of trading with Kine today.